Alright, let's marinate this flat iron with some Worcestershire and some olive oil. And then I've got a whole slew of spices here that I'll put in the description down below. I'm going to smoke the flat iron for about 45 minutes at 165. After smoking in the Traeger for 45 minutes, I pulled the flat iron out, cranked the Traeger up to 450 degrees. Once it came to temperature, I seared the flat iron on both sides for about 3 minutes. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. See you next time.